What? What's happened? If there's a shit on my living room floor, I swear to, excuse my language, fucking God, I will make that into a handbag. If I walk over there and there's... Right, okay. Oh God, please tell me it hasn't shit. Oh, you're so funny. Won't be funny. Has it? Well, get it out. Is there a cat duty in the house? Is there? I'm not well, and this isn't funny. Has it done something? Put it outside. What? I'm trying to help cook your dinner, and you're telling me there's a cat mess in the house? Where? Ooh, I hit it. What did you do? Did you? Phoebe? I'm going now. I think you're both hilarious, aren't you? Been at work all day, don't feel well, talking about cat shit and the dog eating my nerves.